is a replica of one of the plates from the back of the dinosaur stegosaurus, which this is a little model. It's very famous for having these large flat plates on the back of its body running down in two different rows. What's very interesting about these plates, and you can see it in this replica of the actual fossil, it has these grooves running through it. And these grooves are where veins and arteries were running through and when the animal was alive. So there would have been this bone, the veins and arteries running through it, and then a covering of horn over the whole thing, the same way that cow horns are covered with horn over a core of bone. And those veins and arteries are in there to mostly serve as nutrient sources for the bone itself and for the horn on top of it. But some scientists have also hypothesized that because this plate is so big and flat, that it may have served a thermoregulatory function, that it would have helped warm up and cool down the animal, that when the animal was needing extra heat, it could pump blood into these flat plates, turn these plates into the sun's energy then hits these things, heats up the blood inside, which then gets circulated back into the body, new cool blood comes in, that gets heated up, that gets circulated back into the body, and it slowly warms the animal up. And in reverse, if the animal needed to cool down, it pumps its hot blood up into here, turns this into a breeze, then that sucks the heat away, then that cooled blood goes back into the body and gets replaced and so on and so forth, and that would cool the animal down over time. That was a very intriguing hypothesis when it was proposed, but it's kind of fallen apart for a number of reasons. One of which is that if you look at some of the relatives of Stegosaurus, which are known from elsewhere in the world, like Lixovisaurus here, or Miragaia, both of which are known from Europe, notice they don't have these gigantic plates on the body. They have very small plates and spikes on their backs instead. So the question is why would Stegosaurus need to be able to thermoregulate using its plates when all of its relatives didn't? And for that reason, that idea that it would use these plates for thermoregulation has sort of gone by the wayside.